In this video, we will be covering two concepts. The first is calculation using splitting. The second concept is special case of addition and subtraction. Alright, let's move on. First of all, we will be covering adding pluses and minuses via the method of calculation using splitting. So the first question is 3643 plus 2438. Alright, so as of now, by this point, you should be able to add or subtract two-digit numbers mentally. Okay, but here we have two 4-digit numbers. So what we'll do is we'll split this number into two parts. So the first number will be split into two parts. First part is 36 and the second part is 43. And the second number will be split into two parts, that is 24 and 38. So what we are going to do is we are going to write 36 plus 24 and 43 plus 38. Now please note that these steps have to be done mentally, okay? And you should be able to do this as of now, or at least you will be able to do this after a little bit of practice. Alright, so let's move on. So 36 plus 24 will be 60 and 43 plus 38 will be 81. So the answer should be 6081. Alright, let's move on. Let's take another example. So here we have 3643 minus 2438. And just like the method that we had done earlier, we are going to split it into two parts. So now we will have 36 minus 24. So 36 minus 24 will give us a 12 oblique 43 minus 38. Now 43 minus 38 is 5. But here we have to understand that we are not going to write a 5, rather we are going to write 05 because these should be two digits. Alright, so the answer is 1205 and this is the answer. Let's take another example. So here we have 341 plus 588 and we are going to split these numbers like this. So 3 and 41 for the first, 5 and 88 for the other. So 3 plus 5 will give us a 8 and 41 plus 88 is going to give us a 129. But obviously this should be a two-digit number only. So this 1 is going to get carried over and hence we are getting the answer as 929. Now this question can be done in an alternative way. So here we have 341 plus 588, that is we are doing the same question again. Now we are going to split it in a different way. So that is 34 and 1, 58 and 8. Okay, so 34 plus 58 can be straight away written as 92. 1 plus 8 can be written as 9. So the answer will be straight away 929. I hope you have understood this, and we are going to prefer this method over this method because it involves a carryover. Okay, but you can do it either way. So let's move on. Now, the above method can be applied to questions of multiplication and division, but that will be explained in the upcoming videos. Okay, not this one. Now, let's move on. So here we have a special case of addition and subtraction. So the first question is 75 plus 57 and the second question is 75 minus 57. Now here we can write it as 75 can be written as 7 into 10 plus 5 and the other number, that is 57, can be written as 5 into 10 plus 7. So if you club these two numbers, you will get 7 into 10 plus 1, that is 11, plus if you club these two numbers, you will get 5 into 10 plus 1, that is 11. Again, we can take 11 common over here. We will get 11 into 7 plus 5. So this is 11 into 12. So this will give you the answer as 132. Okay. So now we can solve these questions via a formula also. So the formula is xy plus yx. That is a two-digit number plus its reverse will give us the value of 11 into x plus y. Okay, you can remember this formula if you want. Otherwise, you can just think of it at the moment. So let's see. Now the second question is 75 minus 57. Okay, so this can be written as again 7 into 10 plus 5 minus 5 into 10 plus 7. Now we will club these two. So we will get 7 into 10 minus 1, that is 9, plus we will club these two and we will get 5 into 1 minus 10, that is minus 9. So we will get 7 into 9 minus 5 into 9. So this can be written as 9 into 7 minus 5. So which is 9 into 2. So that comes out to be equal to 18. Now these two formulas may be used to solve further questions. So let's move on. So this is the question number 1 and question number 2. We'll be solving these two questions using the formula that we had covered earlier. Okay. So first of all, 64 minus 46. This can be straight away written as 9 into 6 minus 4. So what is 9 into 6 minus 4? 9 into 2. So what is 9 into 2? 18. Alright. Let's move on. Here we have 38 plus 83. So this can be written as 11 into 3 plus 8. So this is 11 into 11, that is 121. Now all we need to do is we need to add these two simple numbers and we'll get the answer as 139. I hope you have understood this concept. Let's move on. Here we have again xy minus yx. So we will get the answer as 9 into 9 minus 3. So this is 9 into 6, that is 54. Here again xy plus yx. So we will get the answer as 11 into 4 plus 7. So this is 11 into 11, that is 121. And here again we'll have xy minus yx. So that is 9 into 8 minus 1. So that is 9 into 7, that is 63. Okay, all we need to do is 54 plus 121 plus 63. So we will get the answer as 238. I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you.